สบายดีทุกคนกลับมาตามเคยมื้อนี้จะพาทุกคนมาลมฝรั่งตามเคยแล้วถ้าเบิ่งว่าเพราะว่าเฮาบ่ได้อัพลงวิดีโอดนเติบแล้วเพราะว่าข่าวเวียกโซนี้ก็สอนเต็มและสำหรับวิดีโอมื้อนี้ทุกคนจะเป็นอะไรก็ติดตามกันเลย My name is Sang. I'm from here from Laos and what about you?
My name is Laura and I'm from Dublin in Ireland.
Yeah and
I'm Fiona and I'm from Dublin as well.
okay that's good. Okay, I would like to start by the topic of hobbies. What are your hobbies?
Hobbies.
Yeah.
We have a very big group of friends at home, so we
Yeah.
kind of hang out with them a lot, don't we?
Yeah, we like to listen to music
Yeah.
Music.
and go dancing at the weekend with our friends.
Okay.
we
What
like-
kind of music do you like?
A bit everything, like chart music, like pop music and
Yeah. We like to go to restaurants, have a
Yeah.
nice dinner.
yeah.
So what about the movie? You like
Movies?
movie?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
What kind of movie?
I like thrillers.
Thriller. Wow.
Yeah.
And
I don't
you?
watch a lot of movies. More I like TV shows.
Yeah. What kind of
Like crime shows.
crime show?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like detectives.
So
What about you? Do you have hobbies?
my hobby would be I like to take the photo.
Oh,
Okay.
good. Maybe you can teach us. We're not very good at taking photos.
I'm not good, but I love dance. Okay.
Yeah.
They are really happy.
Nice meeting you. Bye bye.
Are you come only two of you or with someone else?
No, just the two of us. Just the two of us.
That's good. And this is your first time here?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's our first day.
First day, yeah.
First day. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
no.
So where are you going next?
Um,
Bien.
Bang Bien, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Tomorrow.
This could be. What do you know about that before? About Mongan?
Not a lot.
Have you heard?
Yeah, no, not a lot.
That's good.
Not a lot. Have you any
Yes.
advice for us? What should we do
There
while we're here?
in Bang Vieng or here?
Yeah. Very bien.
Bang Bien.
Bang Vieng is yeah. There are lots of activity to do.
Okay.
Let's start by when you arrive there, you will see the beautiful mountain. Yeah, we
Okay.
have I mean really beautiful. It's no like nowhere else around here.
Wow.
Cool.
So you have to try there is tubing
Yeah.
along the Song River.
Yeah.
Okay, that is amazing.
We're excited for that.
Yeah. So they have a lot of beautiful cave there. You have to see the cave. So and what they have a lot. I mean, you have to the Bulakun.
Blue Lagoon,
Yeah,
we've
the
heard
Blue
of
Lagoon
that,
there. So
yeah.
you have to swim. You have to jump from it, but the weather is
fun.
really cold there.
Is it?
Yeah.
We
It's
don't like the girls.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we freeze.
it's really cold weather. Okay. With the jump, but that is quite touristy city.
Okay.
A lot of Korean there. We call Korean town.
Seems to be
Oh,
lots
Korean
everywhere.
Yeah, Korean town. So they love the party. So
Okay.
they have the party along the Song River.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So you see, so we have a beautiful bridge, maybe bridges with 2 or 3. We have a yellow bridge, red bridge, and blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
So a lot.
Lots to
And,
do.
yeah. So you have to also to drive the what is the kind of I don't know that's kind of just kind of like a car, but it's not a car. It's the drive what we
Like
call
a
that.
tuk-tuk or
No,
a
no,
tricycle.
no. Just for adventure thing to do, you drive
like
to
the quad bike.
yeah.
Okay.
That is, to see the nature, to see the like the rural area there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you from Vientiane?
My hometown is in southern of Laos, but actually I'm working here.
Oh, very good. Nice.
I'm a student. I'm working in the center.
Students.
Very
What do you
good.
study?
I'm actually studying in Vietnam,
Oh, wow.
just 100 kilometers away from Hanoi.
Very good.
My
Hanoi is nice,
major
isn't
is
it?
medicine.
Wow.
Yeah,
We're nurses.
you heard the words medicine, like to be a doctor in Europe country, in America, in Brazil, it's really huge job, like really, really good, really high income, but that is not true, yeah?
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not true, yeah?
It's still a good job though.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
But-
We're nurses.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.